Oh, me name it is Sam Hall, chimney sweep, chimney sweep. Oh, me name it is Sam Hall, chimney sweep. Okay, I'll stop that now. Rest your bleeding ears. All right, see what she says this year. I clean this chimney once a year. Okay, let's go for a look here. Bit of creosote. Not too bad, but she'll need a good old chimney sweep. Looking good. Nice hot fire now to burn up those little pieces of dust in there. Now, it's a beautiful day here today. However, fall is in the air. The weather is going to turn tonight. I'm going away for about 10 days, 2 weeks. So I got to get a bunch of stuff done before I go, because when fall starts here in Labrador in the north, winter comes beyond it just like that. And tonight is going down to about 2 degrees Celsius, which is just above the freezing mark. So here we go. Winter prep 2025. But of course, I'm not getting into anything too heavy until I have a nice breakfast. Don't spare the butter, boys. Don't spare the butter. Fish cakes and eggs with malt vinegar. Don't dare use the regular vinegar. Just not the same. Why, somebody say it for me. Pretty cool rig, buddy. Or should I say, a sharp rig. Dad choke. This is one of my favorite things about owning a mill. I just need a couple of pieces of board. And it doesn't have to be a great big project. You can just start it up and cut exactly what you want. I see my shingles are working. Dry as a bone in here. We had a lot of rain this morning. And all of you guys that made fun of my 3 different types of shingles on the roof, guess what? The rain ran off them all. Now we'll just check out the hardware store here and see what log I will pick. This one looks alright to me, and it's the right price. $0. Hello, girlies. We got a little visitor for a couple days. A Brookie Brookside. Looks good. Now just look at this deliciousness. 2 pieces of 2x4, little piece of strapping in the middle, another piece of 2x4 on top. I love it! Look at Ninny Campoop Aspen. Thinks she can catch up with that loon. Who is the loon there? Really? Give a rough estimate here. Give it right there. How high can we get this now? I wonder. Let's still be safe about it. Over to the other tree. Get her somewhat level anyway. And boys, if you're looking for fancy, you're looking in the wrong place. But it don't have to be fancy to work. And if you're wondering why I left that space there, I'd like to move that panel over to there as well. But not today. All right, the moment of truth. We're not going to get a lot of solar this time of the evening, but at least it'll show us if it's working or not. It should start up. There you go. Panels are right there. There's like zero sun on them really. So the true test will be tomorrow. We'll have another poke at it then. Who's your favorite person? Okay, we're at the generator shed. I have not started this generator to power this cabin or charge any batteries since February, and it's the middle of September now. Having said that, there will be times, of course, when you get around the last part of October, November, December, you get like 15 hours less usable solar sunshine, I'll call it. So in that case there, on a day when you get no sun on those short winter days, you're going to need to start up your generator. Myself, I can go a full week in this cabin just off my Blue 80 batteries alone, but I generally charge it up if it gets down around 30 or 40%. So then in that case, I'll start up the generator for 3 or 4 hours. Everything goes back up full, and we're good for another few days. Now I got this system hooked up here. I take this gas line, and I just put it in place of where the funnel was. Make sure your vent is open in the back. Now I can just pump that ball out, and it's going to put the gas down through that hose. And this hose comes in here to a special cover that I bought online. I'll try to look up the link for you guys. And you just take off the existing cap off of your generator and simply put this one down in place. Make sure it's good and tight. You pump the ball here. I can already hear it and feel it going through the lines there now. So that is gravity flow. Now I'll have a 5-gallon can, constant supply to my generator. And all that does is just a matter of convenience. It's one of those things that you do when you get a little lazy, I guess. Now I don't have to come out and gas up the generator every few hours, you know. Probably runs 10 or 12 hours powering this cabin anyway. But now with the can going, it'll last a long, long, long time. Now I do have a solar panel here, a couple of small batteries, and down here I got a diesel heater. And this diesel heater comes back up inside of this shed. And I actually have a Bluetooth app that I can signal from inside the cabin on a real cold winter morning. I don't want to start my generator when it's cold, like minus 30 or something. I'll just put a signal out here, turn this on. It'll heat up the inside of this shed here. You don't need insulation in there. It's warm enough just like it is. Usually within 8 to 10 minutes, it's ready to go and the generator's warm. You come out and you give it one pull and it's like it's been a warm garage all night. So that works fantastically. So that is the perfect generator shed in a nutshell. It works. It's practical, simple, just like me. Melanie's been harvesting the vegetables the last few days off and on. It'll soon be time to take them all up. We got some real nice spuds out of it. The rabbits and the groundhogs ate a whole bunch. But what actually survived came in pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, this, you know, of course we got to show the biggest carrot of all here now, but yeah, we got some carrot and turnip, stuff like that there, so.
Oh, disappointing.
We got some nice turnip after harvesting a whole bunch of greens here from the summer. And every now and then you fluke in life, totally unplanned, never heard talk of before. In this crawl space in my cabin, down here, of course that's where my plumbing and stuff is for my cabin. You know, all that stuff is down there. And you know what? In the middle of winter, it stays between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius down there all winter long. Just happens to be the right temperature for storing vegetables for the winter. Absolute fluke, but we'll take it every day of the week. Well now, look at her out there, sat down with a campfire. Fire ban is finally lifted. Woohoo! Nice day after a long time. No fires. Well guys, I announced in a video or two ago that we had a special announcement to make, and the special announcement, which some of you have already know by now, is on the social media and stuff, is the fact that we got married. We've been together a long, long time.
Too long.
Like from way back when the kids were doing homework when they were this big, to now the kids are graduated and out working on their own. And now we're down here and we built this cabin. So I mean, we've got a wonderful life. And we attempted to get married one time, but of course the pandemic came, and twice we had to reschedule the wedding, and everybody had to jostle around their holidays, and it was a huge sacrifice on everybody's part. So a few months ago, I said to Melanie one day, I said, I think we should make another stab at the wedding. And she said, yeah, it's about time to do it. So we did, and it worked out wonderfully. We had a week of festivities and fun with family and friends, and it was one of the best weeks ever. I mean, one of the best weeks of my life, really.
So much fun.
It was great, yeah. We actually got married on a farm, which is kind of fitting. We wanted it very informal, outdoors, and there were literally sheep and cows and donkeys all around us there. But everybody came, and we had the best time ever. So before we were just Melanie and Chuck at the old off-grid cabin here. Now we're that old married couple. That's
Speak for yourself.
At the off-grid cabin. Anyway, it's an opportunity for us to say thank you guys for watching us collectively, and thanks for watching our little channel. We're over 50,000 subscribers now, and I'm glad whenever we get to put a video out. It's exciting. It's still right to do it. So thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors.
And we'll see you next time.
Guaranteed.
We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Send it with a kiss.
Yes. I almost knocked my head off. Woo! That's a kiss.
Get outside and enjoy.